Hello, everyone. Good morning, or good afternoon, or maybe good night.
Yes. If you are watching this in bed, please don't sleep yet.
Today's lesson is very easy, very simple, and very useful.
We will talk about daily routine in a small town.
No big city, no traffic, no loud noise.
Only simple life, simple English, and simple sentences.
This lesson is for A1 English learners.
So relax, smile, and learn English with us.
I live in a small town.
Life here is calm and quiet.
I wake up early in the morning.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
First, I open my eyes.
Then I get out of bed.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face with water.
Sometimes the water is cold.
Yes, very cold in winter.
After that, I say my morning prayer.
Then I help my family at home.
I have breakfast at home.
Breakfast is simple.
I drink tea.
I eat bread or eggs.
We sit together.
We talk and laugh.
No mobile phone.
Only family time.
After breakfast, I get ready.
I wear clean clothes.
I walk to school or work.
My town is small.
I don't need a bus.
I don't need a car.
I enjoy walking.
I see trees and houses.
People know each other.
Everyone says hello.
I meet my neighbors.
They ask, "How are you?"
I say, I am fine, thank you.
Life is slow but happy.
In the afternoon, I come back home.
I wash my hands.
I have lunch.
Lunch is fresh and homemade.
After lunch, I rest for some time.
Sometimes I feel sleepy.
Yes, very sleepy.
Very sleepy.
I take a short nap.
In my free time, I read a book.
Sometimes I watch TV.
Sometimes I practice English.
I listen to English videos.
Learning English is important.
Small steps every day.
In the evening, I go outside.
I take a walk.
I see children playing.
They laugh and run.
I meet my friends.
We talk about our day.
At night, I return home.
We have dinner with my family.
We eat together.
We talk and relax.
Before sleeping, I prepare for the next day.
I go to bed early.
Repeat after me.
I live in a small town.
I wake up early.
I have breakfast at home.
I go to bed early.
Now it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments, do you live in a city or a small town?
Like this video if you are learning English.
Subscribe for more A1 English lessons.
English is easy. Just practice every day.